Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money with HubSpot. HubSpot is a powerful all-in-one marketing, sales, and customer service software platform that helps businesses grow and succeed. While it's not direct money making tool, HubSpot can help you earn more money in various ways by streamlining your marketing and sales effort, automating your customer service, and improving your overall business operation. So let's get started. Today's video I'll be showing you and how to use some of the ways to get money with HubSpot. So let's continue with Google. What industry are you in? Uh, yes, let's choose this randomly. Job search. They have students? Yes, they have students. Next, what's the name of your company? Next, how many people work at your company? What's your company's website? You can skip. You can skip. I can't. I don't think I own this website. Where would you like your data to be hosted? Europe or the US? They recommend Europe, so I'm choosing US. So the account is preparing now. Which of these sounds most like you? I have never used CRM before. I'm new to HubSpot, but I have used CRM before. I know my way around HubSpot pretty well. What would you like to do first with HubSpot? Track your deals in one place, create a setup, high performance sales tools, send marketing email to potential customers. Skip. Which part of the CRM platform do you want to explore first? Logging in to your account. Take a demo. It takes about 3 minutes. Let's skip this demo. Now let's start. Add in some contacts and invite teammates. I will do it later. We are just in the creation of the account. Now we are heading to our account. This is your guide for getting started. If you are not sure what to do first, get contacts, learn what's CRM, understand what your tools are. Let's go. So the first way to get money is making automations. HubSpot's marketing automation tools are designed to help businesses attract, engage, convert more leads by creating targeted and personalized campaigns that are delivered at the right time to the right people. Businesses can and create their conversions rates and generate more revenue. Second way to get money is sale enablement. HubSpot sales tools help businesses manage their sales pipelines, tracks deals, and automate sales process. By streamlining the sales process, business can close deal faster, increase their win rate, and generate more revenue. So the website isn't responding. Discover what your tool can do. It's recommended to start to add some contacts, invite some teammates. So here we have marketing hub free, services, operations, CMS. So the third way to make money with HubSpot is the customer service way. HubSpot customer service tool help businesses provide exceptional customer service by managing customer inquiries, tracking customer interactions, and automating respective tasks. By providing excellent customer service, businesses can increase customer loyalty and generate more revenue with to repeat business. Here you can add contacts. Here we have calling icon. Wow, the name is calling icon. We have the notification, the profile, the billing, the HubSpot Academy, your ID, settings. You can get help from here. Store, free trial, reports, and automation here. Services, sales, marketing, conversation, and contacts. Let's head to the automation. This feature is included in Sale and Service Hub Professional. So here, how to upgrade your plan. So the fourth way is reporting and analytics. HubSpot reporting and analytics tools provide businesses with valuable insight into their marketing, sales, and customer service efforts by analyzing data and identifying areas by improvement. Business can optimize their strategy and generate more revenue. So choose a hub to trial. Marketing Hub Professional, Sale Hub Professional, Service Hub Professional, CMS Hub Professional, Operation Hub Professional. And let's see pricing of the plans. The fifth step is integration. HubSpot offers a wide range of integration with other business tools such as Salesforce, Zapier, and Shopify. By integrating HubSpot with other tools, business can streamline their workflow and generate more revenue by leveraging the strength of different platforms. So here we have the starter CRM suite for $13 per month. We have the starter, the professional, and the enterprise. Every plan has its benefits. You can customize your plan as you need. So here. So in conclusion, HubSpot is a powerful platform that can help businesses generate more revenue by providing tools for marketing, automation, sale enablement, customer service, reporting and analytics, and integrations with other businesses tools. By using HubSpot strategically, business can optimize their efforts by generating more money. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on other videos.